multi-class SPM article intelligence. What is SPM? SPM standard for support vector matching is one of the algorithms that machine used to be able to learning classify objects in the same way that humans classify them. Support vector matching is a supervised algorithm for classification by looking for the half-plane with the larger margin. Problem with SPM. SPM can produce binary classification with involves two class. Example, dog or cat, fruit or vegetables. But we often encounter cases with many class. This is where we will use that the next algorithm, which is the multi-class sum algorithm. Multi-class SPM. Multi-class SPM is an advanced algorithm of SPM that classifies an object with many classes. For example, when classifying the type of ball into the class of football, baseball, or basketball. Multi-class SPM. There are two methods in the multi-class support vector matching algorithm. Example, 1 PS all, 1 PS1.
Okay, here I'm Sultan. I'm gonna continue the explanation from my friend. Uh, we're gonna talk, we're gonna learn about multi-class SPM, one versus all. So here we have a data set. In here, in the data set, we have three classes. The first class is triangle with the color green. Here, there's three triangle. And the second class, we have rectangle with the color blue. There are three rectangle. And the third classes is diamond with the color red. There's four of them. Okay, so after that, we have these models, we have this data set. We're gonna divide it to three models, three SVM. We're gonna split it. So here we have three similar SVM. Then we're gonna put the hyperplane one against all, against other, like this. As we can see, the first class in the first model is triangle, and we're gonna put the hyperplane between triangle against others classes, and so on. The rectangle, we put the hyperplane here against other classes, and the diamonds in here we put in the center here the hyperplane to divide it. So the iteration will be through the each of them. If the input is put in here, they're gonna iteration, we're gonna process from first classes. If it's true in some of these, it will not continue. If it's false or something else, it will continue iteration until the end, until the result is get. Okay, continue. The next algorithm is multi-class support vector machine 1 versus 1. It's similar to 1 versus all. We have the same dataset with 3 classes, triangle, rectangle, diamonds. It's same as before. We're gonna split it and divide it into 3 here. We split it and divide it into 3 models or 3 SVM. The number of we split it is depends on how much the classes. If the classes is more than 3, is example is 5 in the data set, we're gonna split it into 5. But here we only have 3 classes, so we divide it into 3. After we divide it, we're gonna put the hyperplane, but in this one, we're gonna put 1 versus each. So it's like this, okay, like this. As you can see, in the first models, we'll remove the second class, the rectangle, because we're gonna put the hyperplane between first class and the third class, the triangle versus diamonds. And the second models will remove the third class, the diamond, and we put the hyperplane between triangle and rectangle. And the third, we put the hyperplane between rectangle and diamonds, and we remove the triangle. So the iteration is same as before, but here we're gonna get the result about 1 versus 1. If the first iteration is false, is not get the result, we're gonna continue the iteration into the next models until the result is get, because the result will be get until the end, must be get. Okay, all right, so that's it. That's all we can have to explain to you. For me, thank you for your attention and goodbye.